Today, our climate and escalating temperatures are some of our society's biggest challenges. This is one of my ideas on how we can solve it. The concept is relatively simple. We can use evaporation to save the planet. Canals for holding water will be built in arid locations. There will be a pipeline coming from the ocean to supply water into the canals. The design will leverage the Earth's heat to evaporate canal salt water into freshwater vapor. Crops will be planted based on wind direction in the area. In the design, there will be at least 2 canals that hold ocean water. The size of the canals would be determined based on the amount of evaporation needed. Having at least 2 canals enables one to dry out for salt removal and harvesting, while the other still contains water. The process can be accomplished with a water shutoff from the water pipeline. After harvesting, the salt could be sold into the worldwide salt market, which in 2023 was worth $34 billion. For water transport, there will be a pipeline similar to an oil pipeline running from the ocean into the canals. The plan is to leverage pre-cleared highways for placement to make installation easier and cheaper. These pipelines will have pumps that run along the route and can be solar powered because water's viscosity is less than oil and it will be easier to move. The solution can utilize prevailing winds to drive water vapor over targeted dry areas. Freshwater vapor can hydrate plants in the paths of the winds. When cultivating the arid land, cover crops will be used first. Cover crops are a key factor to cultivating land because they create organic matter when they decompose, which gives soil nutrients for the next generation of crops, which could be edible. Plants in general are good for the environment because they collect CO2 from the atmosphere and they produce oxygen and will even give off more water vapor as they sweat from the heat. Thank you for listening. Let's save the planet together.